This is the Sunoco station, which is about a block from the building, and you were working at the time of the explosion. Did you hear it?
I think this time a blast and my building was moved, and that's my welfare here. They moved it a bit too.
Did anything fall or break over here?
Yeah, this fall on my ceiling, this one, this fall on here.
So this.
I'm scared. I understand some kind of earthquake coming here.
Right.
I go outside. I'm really scared. And this my building just little bit moved too.
So you.
I see. And after I go over there, something wrong over there. I can see. You know.
You could now. Did you see any fire when you went outside, or just the smoke?
No, I don't see fire. But I hearing blast. Boom.
And it shook windows and knocked over your cigarettes and the like here?
Yeah. And I see bomb and blast. I see some kind of what? I don't know English what going about. They say the blast, they coming black, what?
Yeah, black soot, alright.
Black soot. Yes, I see the and but I come a customer.
Well, obviously you're alone. You have to take care of your business as well.
Yeah, then I come back. But I try to go back in.
Alright, well thank you very much for your time.